Hi, my lovely stars. I'm Miss Radwa, and today we'll study together the sound at. Do you remember what's the sound of letter A? Yes, it's a, a, a. Super. Do you remember what's the sound of letter T? It's t, t, t. Okay. Do you know what will happen if we put a next to t? It will be at. So the sound of A plus T will be at. At. Can you say it? At. At. Super. Now let's try to read this word together. Do you remember what's the sound of letter C? Ka. Ka. Excellent. Okay, now let's try to read this. It's ka at. Ka at. Cat. So can you say it? Cat. Cat. Excellent. Do you remember what's the sound of letter R? It's R. Excellent. So here we have R at. R at. Rat. Can you say it? Rat. Rat. Super. Do you remember what's the sound of letter B? B. Excellent. Here we have b at. B at. Bat. Bat. Can you say it? Bat. And bat has two meanings, okay? It can be like the baseball bat on your right hand, or the bat like in Batman movie, okay, that flies, like the one on your left hand, okay? So bat has two meanings. Can you say it for the last time? Bat. Super. Do you remember what's the sound of letter M? M, M, M. Yes. So here we have M at. M at. Mat. Can you see the mat? Can you point at it? Super. It's the one in the circle. This is mat. So here we have ma at. Mat. Can you say it? Mat. Excellent. Do you know what's the sound of letter H? Ha, ha, ha. So here we have ha at. Ha at. Hat. Hat. Can you say it? Hat. Excellent. This is the last one, okay? Do you remember what's the sound of letter F? It's f, f. Here we have f, at, fat, fat, okay? Like this fat boy, okay? So can you say it? Fat, fat. Super, excellent. Now, let's try to read and match these words, okay? Let's try to read the first one. Here we have cat, cat. So, can you point at the cat? Super. Let's see the next one. It's hat, hat. Can you point at the hat? Super, excellent. Okay, my star, we have come to the end of our lesson today. You were excellent. Until next time, I'll be missing you. Bye bye.